With winter in full swing, many of us are tackling piles of snow. If you've experienced the upgrade from a shovel to a snowblower, you know it's a game changer. Welcome back to another tech-savvy video. Today, we're diving into the world of massive snowblowers to see what these beasts can do. Stick around to witness some real giants in action. For Overaasen RS400, Overaasen, a Norwegian company with nearly a century of experience in manufacturing snowplows, recently unveiled the RS400, a next-generation runway sweeper. Powered by an MTU6 R1110 engine delivering 435 horsepower and 2,100 Newton-meters of maximum torque, this machine is built. Its innovative design incorporates high-tech fiberglass materials, offering improved aerodynamics, durability, and reduced life cycle costs. Overaasen is the TV1000. The Overaasen TV1000 is a true masterpiece in snow clearing technology. This high-capacity, self-propelled snowblower is specifically designed for airport operations. With its aerodynamic design, eco-friendly engines, and advanced fleet management systems, it's built to tackle any snow clearing challenge. The TV1000 can handle snow depths ranging from just 1 centimeter to an impressive 2 meters, over 6 feet, in a single pass. Its four-wheel drive and steering system ensure maximum efficiency, while a unique cab design adjustable to the front or back of the blower chute provides optimal visibility during operation. This powerful machine can throw snow up to 45 meters away, making it an essential tool for heavy-duty snow removal. Larue snowblowers. Larue snowblowers, a Canadian pioneer in snow removal equipment, is renowned for its innovative designs. The Larue D97 is a single-stage snowblower, where the auger handles both snow collection and ejection through the chute. It stands out for its exceptional capacity, casting height, and impressive power. Built to endure extreme weather, the D97 delivers reliable performance in the toughest conditions. The hydraulic tilting chute allows operators to safely unclog it from ground level, enhancing safety. Additionally, the 36-inch drum outlet extension boosts casting distance, making it a highly efficient choice for demanding snow.
So, what do you think of this video? Are you as fascinated by these powerful snow clearing machines as we are? Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a whole series dedicated to snowplows and other incredible winter equipment. Your feedback motivates us to keep creating and exploring this exciting content. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the fun and knowledge about these amazing machines to as many people as possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.